Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles, available in two models, Halo Pro and Halo Control, are high-performance carbon fiber paddles designed for players who prioritize ultimate spin and consistency in their game. These paddles feature a RevCore Power polymer core, which enhances the paddle's durability and responsiveness. The polymer core is engineered to provide a balanced feel and excellent power with a refined touch, making it ideal for both advanced and intermediate players. The Halo Pro paddle offers a focus on power, combining carbon fiber construction with an innovative design that allows for maximum spin. This model is well suited for players who like to dominate with aggressive shots and a high spin rate. Its responsive surface also provides quick reaction times, perfect for fast exchanges at the net. On the other hand, the Halo Control paddle is designed for players seeking precision and control over their shots. While still offering strong spin potential, this model provides a softer touch that helps players place their shots with accuracy. The slightly larger sweet spot makes it easier to execute consistent shots with less effort, catering to players who prefer a more controlled style of play. Both paddles utilize carbon fiber for their face material, contributing to their strength and performance while maintaining a lightweight feel. This construction ensures a longer lifespan and resistance to wear, giving players confidence during extended games. In summary, the SLK Halo Pickleball paddles cater to a range of player preferences, with the Halo Pro focusing on power and spin, and the Halo Control offering greater precision. Both models are built with advanced technology, ensuring a great balance of power, spin, and consistency for a competitive edge on the court. Number 2. The USAPA-approved Fiberglass Surface Pickleball Paddle Set is an excellent choice for both beginners and intermediate players. This set includes high-quality pickleball paddles, designed to provide optimal performance, comfort, and durability for players of all skill levels. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface that enhances ball control and delivers a smooth, consistent response on every shot, making it easier to achieve precise hits and improve overall gameplay. The paddles are crafted with a lightweight yet sturdy construction, ensuring a balanced feel during play while reducing fatigue. This makes them ideal for long matches or practice sessions. The ergonomic grip is designed to maximize comfort, reducing hand strain and allowing for a more secure hold. This feature is especially beneficial for players who prefer a comfortable paddle to enhance their playing experience. The set comes with two paddles, suitable for both men and women, making it versatile for various players and ideal for recreational play or more competitive games. Additionally, the set includes pickleballs, ensuring you have everything needed to start playing right away. The paddles are also durable, built to withstand the wear and tear of regular use on indoor and outdoor courts. Another key advantage of this set is its USAPA approval, meaning the paddles meet the standards required for sanctioned tournaments, ensuring they are of a professional-grade quality. This approval also makes the paddles a solid choice for those looking to enter the competitive scene. In summary, the USAPA-approved Fiberglass Surface Pickleball Paddle Set offers a combination of performance, durability, and comfort for players of all levels. Whether you're playing recreationally or aiming for tournament play, this set provides everything you need for an enjoyable and competitive pickleball experience. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a comprehensive set designed to provide everything you need to get started or enhance your pickleball experience. This bundle includes 2 high-quality paddles, 3 pickleballs, and 1 convenient carrying bag. The paddles in this set feature a G4 graphite face, offering a smooth, responsive surface that provides excellent control and spin on every shot. The graphite construction enhances the durability and strength of the paddle while maintaining a lightweight feel for increased maneuverability. One of the standout features of the SLK Latitude paddles is the polymer RevCore technology. The RevCore polymer core delivers a balanced combination of power and control, optimizing the paddle's performance across various playing styles. This core ensures a consistent response on both powerful and softer shots, making it suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to intermediate players. The paddles are designed with comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic handles that offer a secure grip and reduce hand strain, allowing for extended play without discomfort. This is particularly beneficial for players who engage in longer matches or practice sessions. The included carrying bag makes transportation and storage easy, while the 3 pickleballs in the set ensure you're ready to play right out of the box. Overall, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a great choice for players seeking a well-rounded, durable, and high-performance pickleball set. With its graphite face, polymer RevCore technology, and thoughtful design, this bundle delivers excellent value for those looking to enjoy recreational or competitive pickleball games with a quality setup. Number 4. The ONX Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddles are high-performance paddles designed for players who value precision, power, and comfort. These paddles feature a graphite face combined with carbon fiber for exceptional durability and a responsive surface. The graphite material allows for better ball control, while the carbon fiber adds strength and enhances the paddle's overall performance. This combination provides players with the ideal balance of power and touch, making it suitable for both aggressive and finesse shots. A standout feature of the Onix Mod Z5 is its wide-body shape, which increases the sweet spot, offering a larger margin for error and making it easier to hit the ball consistently. This design benefits both beginners and intermediate players by providing a forgiving and consistent playing experience, particularly during off-center hits. The paddle is equipped with Onix's Cushion Comfort Grip, which enhances the comfort level during play by reducing hand fatigue and providing a secure, non-slip hold. This ergonomic grip allows players to maintain control, even in longer matches, and helps minimize vibrations on impact, further enhancing the paddle's overall feel. The lightweight construction of the ONX Graphite Mod Z5 allows for quick reactions and smooth maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for fast-paced gameplay and net play. The paddle's responsive surface provides excellent spin potential, enabling players to add variety to their shots. Overall, the ONX Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle offers a well-rounded combination of durability, comfort, and performance. Its graphite and carbon fiber construction, wide-body shape, and cushion comfort grip make it a versatile and reliable choice for players seeking a paddle that supports both power and control on the court. Number 5. The JOLA Essentials Pickleball Paddles are designed to provide a solid combination of performance, durability, and comfort for players of all skill levels. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which enhances ball control and spin while maintaining a lightweight feel. The fiberglass construction offers a responsive surface that helps players execute precise shots, whether they are playing offensively or defensively. The paddles are equipped with a honeycomb polypropylene core, which is known for its durability and ability to absorb impact. This core provides excellent power and consistency, delivering a reliable response on both fast and soft shots. The honeycomb structure also helps reduce vibrations, offering a smoother feel and minimizing strain during long games. The core's design contributes to the paddle's overall balance, allowing for greater control and ease of maneuverability. With an ergonomic grip design, the Joola Essentials paddles ensure a comfortable hold throughout extended play. The grip is designed to minimize hand fatigue and provide a secure, non-slip feel, making it easier to maintain control during fast exchanges at the net. The paddle's lightweight nature adds to its versatility, making it ideal for both recreational play and more competitive matches. Overall, the JOLA Essentials Pickleball Paddles offer a great blend of performance, comfort, and durability, thanks to their fiberglass surface and honeycomb polypropylene core. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your game or an intermediate player seeking consistency and control, these paddles provide the right balance of features to enhance your pickleball experience.